Good morning and Jai Hind dear students. Children, today we will study physics. So as you know that we were doing the chapter number 15, water in physics. So we will continue with this chapter, that is water. So in the previous class of physics, we had talked about the change of state, and we have also seen different types of state of water. So water is that substance which can exist in all the three states. Isn't it? What are that three states? That is solid, liquid and gas. Isn't it? So water can exist in all the three states. That is solid, liquid and gas. Okay. When water is solid, it is said ice. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ice बोलते हैं. When water is in liquid state, it is normal water. But when water is in gaseous state, it becomes water vapor. Okay. Now children, in today's class, we will talk about changes of state. Changes of state means how we can convert solid into liquid, liquid into gas, or gas into again liquid and again liquid into a solid. So all these changes from solid to liquid to gas again in the reverse direction, this we are going to talk in the today's class, that is of this chapter water. Okay, and also we will see what is water cycle. Clear? So today we'll cover these two topics, that is changes of state and water cycle. Okay, so please open your book children, open this chapter number 15, water. Let's see what is there in the chapter. So children, we have covered all these things. All right, so we have covered importance of water for sustaining life, and we have seen states of water, but we have not read it. So first I'll read this states of water and then continue with this states of changes of state and water cycle. Okay, in what state is the water that you drink? So in what state it is? It is liquid state. What is the state of water when it is cooled in the freezer of a refrigerator? जब हम पानी को आइस ट्रे में डाल के और फ्रिज में रख देते हैं तो वो कौन से स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? It is converted into solid state, isn't it? Okay. Can water change into gas? Yes, definitely water can be changed into gas. How? When we boil it. So water is converted into water vapor, right? What happens when steam is cooled? अब ये जो water vapor है, अगर हम उसको ठंडा कर दें तो क्या होता है? So have you ever seen कि आप अगर कोई भी पानी गर्म कर रहे हो किसी भी यूटेंसिल में and you put a lid over that utensil, मान लीजिए कि आपके पास भगोना है, आपने क्या किया, पानी को गर्म किया और उसके ऊपर एक और प्लेट रख दी. When you will uncover that plate, जब आप वो प्लेट को उठाओगे तो आप देखोगे कि प्लेट के ऊपर एक वाटर की ड्रॉपलेट्स प्रेजेंट है. तो ये वाटर की ड्रॉपलेट्स कहाँ से आए? This is because the steam got cooled and condensed. Okay, so this is yes, we can definitely convert gas into liquid again, and let's see what is there. Okay, so you have already read that matter can exist in three states. We already know that matter can exist in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. The most common substance that you can observe around you in all the three states is water. So water is, children, very magical. Okay, पानी ना तीनों स्टेट में पाया जा सकता है. इसके अलावा ऐसा और कोई सब्सटेंस नहीं होता जो तीनों स्टेट में पाया जाए. So water is very universal and we use it for several purposes. So it is very important uh, material. Okay, so water, when it is ice, it is in solid state. When it is in water that we drink, it is in liquid state. When it is steam, it is in gaseous state. So water can exist in all these three states. In nature also it is present in the same state, as I have told you in the previous class, that what in nature water exists in solid state, where in snow on high mountains, or even in the icebergs and glaciers also water is converted into solid state. Most of the water on the earth exists in the liquid form, in rivers, lakes, seas, oceans. So we find that the water is in liquid state. In gaseous state, water exists as water vapor in the air. Okay, air में water vapor के form में water present होता है किस state में? Gaseous state. Okay, so this was about the states of water. Now today we will talk about the change of state. Okay, so how these changes occur, ये change कैसे हो रहा है, this we will talk today. Okay, so let's start with it. So first is, it says water freezes to form ice. Water freezes to form ice. So let's see how it is done. So children, we know that generally water exists in a liquid state. जो पानी हम पीते हैं वो किस स्टेट में होता है? लिक्विड स्टेट में होता है. So first of all, first definition was that water freezes into ice. So here water is getting converted into ice. So we know that water is in liquid state and ice is solid. Alright, तो अब ये कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा? जब हम इसको किस में रख दें? जब हम इसको फ्रीजर में या और भी से इन रेफ्रिजरेटर. ऑलराइट, तो जब हम इसको फ्रीजर में रख देते हैं या रेफ्रिजरेटर में रख देते हैं तो ये आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. अब ऐसा क्या होता है इस फ्रीजर में? वहां पे टेम्परेचर क्या होता है वहां पे? कम होता है एज कंपेयर टू द रूम टेम्परेचर. जो इन्वायरमेंट का टेम्परेचर है उसके टेम्परेचर से फ्रीजर या रेफ्रिजरेटर का टेम्परेचर कम होता है. कितना कम होता है? इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. हाउ मच? इट इज 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो व्हेन we are putting water at 4 degrees Celsius, it gets converted into ice for almost 2 to 3 minutes, or not 2 to 3 minutes basically, or maybe 2 to 3 hours. अगर हम इसको रख दें तो क्या होगा कि it will get converted into ice. Clear? At 4 degree Celsius. Then ice can ice again be converted into water? Yes children, ice can be melted into water. Yes, definitely it can be melted into water. Now what will happen? Ice will melt to form water, isn't it? कैसे? you take out the ice cubes. ये ice cubes है, ठीक है. आप इस ice cube को फ्रिज से बाहर निकाल के रख दो. इस आइस क्यूब को, ये बोल में एक आइस क्यूब है, और आप इसको फ्रिज से बाहर निकाल के रख दो. थोड़ी देर में क्या होगा? इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड. It will start to melt and will get converted into liquid, again into water. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Again, what is getting changed? Temperature is getting changed. यहाँ पे temperature 4 degrees Celsius था when it was in freezer or a refrigerator. The moment we'll take this tray out in the room temperature. रूम टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? जो जहां पे जो एरिया है उसका जो टेम्परेचर है, विच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली, इफ वी टेक, इट कैन बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15 to 28 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स वेदर इट इज विंटर और समर, उसके अकॉर्डिंग टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है. सो इट इज from 4 degree to we are keeping it back to 15 to 28 degree Celsius. So now what is happening? The temperature is more outside. So this ice will start to melt. This is called melting of ice. This is called melting of ice. And here it is freezing of water. So when water freezes, it is converted into ice, and when ice melts, it converts into water. Clear? So in your book, children, you can also see the diagram. You can see the diagram in your book, children. यहाँ पे देखो, what you see, कि water freezes to form a ice when cooled. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो आइस अपने प्रॉपर क्यूब के फॉर्म में है, दिख रहा है. बट द मोमेंट वी कीप इट आउटसाइड, देन इट स्टार्ट्स टू मेल्ट. ये तो हम लोग ने कई बार देखा भी है. ठीक है, जब हम लोग कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते हैं तो हम उसमें आइस डालते हैं, तो आइस अपने आप क्या हो जाता है? मेल्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज the conversion. Okay, let's see what is written. Fill an ice tray with water and keep it in the freezer of a refrigerator to cool it. हमें क्या करना है? आइस ट्रे लेनी है. Children, you can do it at your home also. क्या करो? आइस ट्रे लो, उसमें पानी भरो and just keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, for 2 to 3 hours. तो 3 घंटे के लिए उसमें रख दीजिए. Then what has happened to the water? Why has it turned into ice? Because the temperature was very less there. Hence, the liquid got converted into solid. So when water is cooled, it forms ice. And this is known as freezing of water. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? Freezing of water. पानी क्या हुआ? Freeze हो गया. Freeze मतलब? Freeze का क्या मतलब होता है? What is the meaning of freeze? Freeze means जम जाना. ठीक है, setting stand. We say ना कि it is very cold and we have just frozen. ठीक है, हमारे हाथ क्या हो गए? Freeze हो गए हैं. We cannot write. Our hands have been freezed. So freezing का क्या मतलब होता है? कि जम जाना. Okay, so this is called freezing of water. Second is ice melts to form liquid water. So keep a few ice cubes in a plate outside the refrigerator. फ्रिज से हमने बाहर निकाल लिया, अब उसको आप थोड़ी देर ऐसे ही रख दो. तो क्या होगा? What will happen to the ice? Ice melts gradually to form water. When ice is heated, it melts quickly to form water. This is known as melting of ice. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Melting of ice. क्या हो गया? Melt हो गया. All right. आइस क्या हो गई, मेल्ट हो गई. सो इट इज कॉल्ड मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस. क्लियर? Now, next is water evaporates to form water vapor. So let's see. Now, what is the third one? Here, the water is getting converted into water vapor. Okay. So, water evaporates to form water vapor. Here, what states are changing? कौन कौन से स्टेट में क्या चेंज हो रहा है? Water is getting converted into water vapor. So water is in liquid state and water vapor is in gaseous state. So liquid is getting converted into gas. अब ये कैसे होता है बेटा? और आपने ये कभी देखा है कहीं पे? डेफिनेटली हम लोग ने देखा है. कब देखा है? जब घर में कपड़े धुलते हैं, उसके बाद कपड़े सुखा दिए जाते हैं. कहाँ पे सुखाए जाते हैं? छत पे सुखा दिए जाते हैं, या वहां ऐसी जगह सुखाया जाता है जहां पे सन की लाइट आ रही हो. Isn't it? क्यों ऐसा किया जाता है? ताकि कपड़े सूख जाए. तो जो कपड़े में पानी है, कपड़ा जब हमने धोया तो कपड़े में पानी होता है, कपड़े गीले होते हैं. ठीक है. फिर जब हम सुखा देते हैं तो कपड़े सूख जाते हैं. तो फिर ये पानी जाता कहाँ है? Where does that water go? What happens to that water? So, जब भी आप वो कपड़ा डाल रहे हो and the sunlight is falling on that cloth, what happens? Due to the sunlight, the temperature of the water that is present in the clothes increases and it evaporates. वो क्या होता है? उड़ जाता है. Liquid gets converted into gas and it's evaporate. Okay. In the same way, you can do one experiment. आप क्या कर सकते हो? Take a small bowl. ठीक है? Take a very small bowl and just fill a few amount of water. ठीक है? Very little water. Just fill a very little water. Approximately take you can take 5 to 10 spoons of water. Okay. So now what you are going to do is just put the utensil over the burner. गैस स्टोव है आपके घर में, गैस है, आप उसके ऊपर रख दो. ओके. After some time, after nearly 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, what you will see that this water is evaporated and almost nothing is left in the bowl. Okay. And the moment will come where all the water will be gone. Getting it? तो ये कैसे हो रहा है? Because here again, what is the factor? Factor is temperature. जब हम temperature बढ़ा रहे हैं, पानी का temperature बढ़ जा रहा है and it is getting converted into vapor. Okay? And vapor is a gas, so it can wander anywhere. Okay? Water क्या होता है? ये evaporate हो जाता है. So now this conversion of water into vapor is known as evaporation. What it is known as? It is known as evaporation. Getting it? जब water ice में convert हो रहा था, it is called freezing. Ice water में convert हो रहा था, it is called melting. And when water is getting converted into water vapor, it is called evaporation, or even you can say it as boiling. आप इसको क्या कह सकते हो? बॉइलिंग भी कह सकते हो. अच्छा, अब ये बताइए, जैसे हमने वाटर को आइस में कन्वर्ट किया था, तो हम आइस को भी वाटर में कन्वर्ट कर पा रहे थे। क्या हम water, when we are converting water into water vapor, can we again convert water vapor into water? Just think over it. Can we convert the water vapor into water again? Yes, definitely we can do that. Okay, now how we can do that? We'll see to it. So how we can do that, children? We can convert water vapor into water again. Water vapor is also called steam. ठीक है, भाप निकलता है, it is called steam. Okay, अब कैसे होता है ये समझिए. What you have to do again, you have to take a utensil or a bowl, fill the water, put it over a burner, allow it to boil. ठीक है, इसको boil होने दीजिए. Now what you have to do, you will take a lid and just keep it over this boiling utensil. थोड़ी देर बाद what you will see that the water droplets are present over this lid. ठीक है, तो अब हो क्या रहा है, हो ये रहा है कि यहां से हम वाटर के टेम्परेचर को राइज कर रहे हैं. वाटर का टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे ज्यादा है, but the moment it is converting into vapor and this vapor is getting sticked or attached to this lid, the temperature automatically decreases because lid is not that hot. Lid क्या है, lid is having a normal temperature. तो ये lid के कांटेक्ट में जैसे ही वेपर आता है, इसका टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाता है, डाउन हो जाता है, and the vapor or steam will get converted into water. And this process of conversion of vapor into water is known as condensation. What it is known as, children? It is known as condensation. Okay, ये चीज हमने और कहाँ देखी है, जब बहुत हम ठंडी ठंडी कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते हैं. ये कंसिडर दिस इज अ ग्लास और इसमें क्या है, बहुत ठंडी ठंडी कोल्ड ड्रिंक है. ठीक है, तो यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व कि जब भी हम कोई भी ठंडा चीज किसी भी ग्लास में लेते हैं, तो उसके बाहर ग्लास पे कुछ वेपर सा आ जाता है. हैव यू सीन इट? यस, यू मस्ट हैव डेफिनेटली ऑब्जर्व दिस. अगर नहीं तो यू कैन डू इट एनी टाइम. ठीक है, तो ये किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? Again, it is because of condensation. The water is getting condensed as it is coming in contact with this glass. Clear? So we have studied few changes. First, second. So first we have talked about freezing of water, then melting of ice, then we have seen evaporation or boiling, and then condensation. Isn't it? We have talked about all these four topics here. Water is getting converted into ice. Here, ice is getting converted into water. Here, water is getting converted into vapor or steam. And in this case, vapor is getting converted into water. So can we write it like this? So if we summarize this completely, we can say that if we have ice, water and steam, so what we can do is ice can be converted into water, right? By the process called melting. Water can be converted into ice by the process called freezing. Water can be converted into steam by evaporation or boiling. Steam can again be converted into water by condensation, isn't it? So this is the complete summary of what we have studied till now. Okay, so this is very important. Here I am again explaining it to you. Ice जब water में convert होता है, we call it freezing, or just a second. What we call it? We call it melting. All right. When water is converting into ice, it is called freezing. When water is converting into steam, it is called evaporation. And when steam is getting converted into water, it is called condensation. Getting it? So this is the complete summary. And children, इसमें ये सब जो कुछ भी conversion हो रहा है, which factor is responsible for all these things? Only one factor, that is temperature. टेम्परेचर कम हो रहा है तो स्टेट चेंज हो जा रहा है, टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है तो स्टेट चेंज हो जा रहा है. Alright, so that was about the change of state. So we could not do the water cycle, so we'll do it later in the class, in the next class. So children, we have talked about this. Okay, we have also seen water vapor condenses to form water, and this is the complete summary. Children, for today, your homework is to do this oral question. These questions are very simple. You can do it on your own. And please do read all these things. Okay? Read this page. In the next class, we'll continue with this chapter and we'll study water cycle and sources of water. Okay? So that's all for today's class. Hope you have understood it. In case of any doubt, please do ask in the group, children. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind, children.